Hi, my name is Daniel. 10 years ago, something very strange happened to me. It was summer, and the city was very hot. I wanted to see the countryside, walk in the forest, and breathe fresh air. I had a small red car and an old map. One night I drove for many hours. The road was quiet, and the stars were bright. I felt free. Early in the morning, I saw green fields, tall trees, and heard birds singing. But suddenly my car stopped. "Oh no," I said. "I don't have petrol." I looked at the map. There was no town nearby. I was lost. Then I saw a young woman walking down the road. She carried a basket of flowers. She had long brown hair and a white dress. She looked kind and gentle. "Hello," I said. "Can you help me? My car has no petrol." She smiled softly. "Come with me," she said. "There is a village. Maybe someone can help." We walked together for a long time. Finally, I saw the village. It was small and very old. The houses were made of wood and stone. People wore clothes that looked like they were from another century. The girl's name was Anna. She took me to her family's house. Her parents were friendly. They gave me bread and soup. But everything felt different. They had no electricity, no cars, and they cooked on a fire. I asked Anna's father, "Where can I buy petrol?" He looked at me strangely. "Petrol?" he said. "What is that?" I was confused. How can they not know petrol? That evening, Anna showed me the village. Children played in the street. Men rode horses. Women carried water from the well. Everyone was smiling, but it all felt like a dream. Later, Anna and I sat in the garden. The moon was bright. She looked sad. "What's wrong?" I asked. "You cannot stay," she whispered. "You must leave before sunrise. It is dangerous here." "Why?" I asked. She only shook her head. "Please go. Promise me." I didn't understand, but I liked Anna. I didn't want to leave her. "I will come back tomorrow," I said. "I promise." At midnight, I walked away. The forest was dark, but soon I found a town. I asked a man in a gas station about the village. He looked at me with wide eyes. "That village?" he said slowly. "It doesn't exist anymore. It burned down hundreds of years ago. Everyone died." I froze. "No, I was there today. I met the people. I spoke with them." The man shook his head. "Every 10 years, for one day only, the village appears again. But when the sun rises, it disappears." I couldn't speak. My hands were shaking. Suddenly, I remembered Anna's sad face and her words, "You must leave before sunrise." The next day, I returned to the forest. I searched and searched, but there was nothing, only trees and grass. No houses, no people, no Anna. I sat down and cried, but deep inside I made a promise. I will wait. When the village comes back again, I will return. And this time I will not leave Anna.